What's up guys, and welcome back to Project Z Garage. As you can see, we're not in my garage and we're not on the street working on cars. It's a little too cold. We're in the middle of December. So we're actually in our new apartment that we bought, and I figured I would bring you along on a short series of videos doing little upgrades to the apartment. We're not fully moved in yet. We're still waiting on some furniture, but we're almost there. And I figured I would let you guys see some of the things that we put together that you might like and that might be out of the realm of something you would normally buy off the shelf. Kind of a hack. So let's pan to the living room area. It's not a big apartment. So the first thing I would like to show is this entertainment center that we put together. Now, it's not something you can just buy off the shelf. Well, technically it kind of is. The bottom part is from Ikea. I think it's like a Bernstein or Burn something. I'll put the link into the description, or the description of it below, from Ikea. But this is originally a entertainment center that you can buy. I believe it's about 70 inches long, so it's pretty big. But I thought it looked kind of plain with just all black, and I kind of really like the black and wood look. So what we did was get the countertops from Ikea also. I believe the name of this is Barca Boda, and it's a walnut top, but it's in kind of a herringbone shape. And what we did was we cut off about 6.5 to 7 inches off of it, and it kind of fits perfectly because the bottom part is about 70 inches wide, but the top is about 74 inches wide. So it gives you a little bit of overhang on each side, and it gives a nice look. I think it really makes it look a lot more classy, and kind of gives you that fancier look, like something that would be more expensive. A cool thing about it is that piece that we cut off from the back of it, we actually turned it into a floating shelf. So if you pan up to the top, we have this floating shelf that we made with the part that we cut off of it. And what we did was I went on Amazon and we bought a floating shelf kit, which pretty much comes with the bars and everything you need to create a floating shelf. We now have Amazon affiliate links that we can now attach to the description below, and you guys can check them out. And kind of, if you like something like this, you don't have to do what we did and cut a piece off of it, but any type of wood that's within the range, I believe it has to be a minimum of 6.5 to 7 inches wide, because the bars do go all the way in and you have to drill it. Luckily, my brother helped me out with this one because it's not easy to cut these countertops down. But I think it really gives a cool look. It frames the TV, which is a Sony 85-inch Bravia unit that we got, and we also have the soundbar from Clips. So I'll put all the links below to this stuff, but I really like the Clips soundbar. It really sounds really good, especially for a living room that's not super big. If you have a lot larger living room than this, I would say you probably want to go into a more advanced, like 7.1, 7.2, whatever surround sound system. And I know Clips does have the higher brand, but it's a really good name brand, and I feel like they make good things. I mean, it has a huge subwoofer. I believe it's a 10-inch subwoofer, and this thing really puts out a lot of bass. Now, this comes in a couple of different kits. Like, you can buy it like this, where it's the soundbar and the bass tube. Or you can also add on, and I did add on the Clips, I believe these are bookshelf speakers, which we attached to some stands, and it kind of gives you that 5.1 surround sound, I guess you would consider it to be. And they sound really good. Now, the whole point of this series that we're putting together, these little videos, is like little upgrades that you would want to do to your house. Whether it's soft close cabinets, which is one of the videos that we're going to be coming up with, and showing you how we did it with these cupboards. And again, it also shows you the kitchen. I'm sorry, let's do the walk around first. So here's our kitchen / dining room. It has really nice cupboards, kind of a cherry wood look. quartz countertops. We have some really nice hanging lights here. As you can see, we don't have a dining room table. We're actually using a plastic folding table that you would use in the park, but we kind of classed it up because my cousin sent me this kind of cover that you could put on the plastic folding tables and make it look a little more elegant, I guess. But you know what? It does the trick. Until our kitchen table comes in, this is kind of what we've been using. And we have some folding chairs. Don't mind the mixer. And let's walk around and see some of the other parts of the house. Now, let's go to the bathroom. So here's our bathroom. It's not very big. It's a nice little bathroom. You have your shower, sink, medicine cabinet. Nothing crazy. Some of the things that I'm thinking about doing upgrades, maybe with the vent, possibly putting in some maybe Bluetooth audio, if you want to play music while you're in the shower, or maybe something like that. We can upgrade and kind of show you guys how we do it. Next, we have our bedroom, and pretty straightforward. It's not huge, but it's a nice space. Pretty straightforward. We have our TV over there and our cabinets here. Now the next room, so this is a 2-bedroom. I believe it was considered a 3-bedroom, but because we removed the wall and all that stuff, it's a 2-bedroom. In here we have our laundry, which is going, which is nice, and kind of sealed away, which is cool when you need it. And this is the room that we're probably going to be focusing on in a lot of the videos that are coming up. And that's pretty much making this room my office. As you can see, it's a little bit of a mess. We've got a new throw rug here, which I thought was really cool. It's kind of like an abstract look. We'll put all the links down so you guys can check it out if you're interested in that. We went again, this is all over YouTube, people doing this hack, which is taking another Ikea countertop. This is the Colby, which is kind of like a butcher block design, walnut, kind of covered or whatever. It's a very thin layer of walnut over a solid core, and you attach that to a sit stand electric legs, and you can make yourself a really cool sit stand desk. And what we did was also we got the Alex drawers from Ikea and put those up the side. It fits perfectly. It looks really nice. I think it gives it a real classy look, and it's not super expensive. Some of these tables, especially this length, this is a 74-inch table. Looking these up, these are like almost $1,000 when you go online. Altogether, I think I might have spent $500, maybe less, depending on where you buy your legs from, what type of legs you buy. I think we'll go over that in another video, but I'll try to link the stuff in this video if you're interested. We have the computer that my brother helped me build, and I think we'll do another video going over the specs on that. And I have a bunch of little videos on some of the things I want to do, like a stand for it. We got to do some cable management under there because we literally just threw this together real fast. And really we want to make this into kind of where I'm going to do my editing, work from home, all that stuff. Maybe put some cool art up and kind of go from there. So I think that pretty much wraps up my new apartment here. As you can see, it's not totally huge, but it's a nice space. I mean, it's just me and my fiance and that's it. So we really like it. I think we're really gonna get a lot of cool little tweaks that you guys might be interested in doing to your homes, and maybe we can give you guys ideas, or if you guys have ideas for us, put them in the description below, or comment, not in the description, but comment, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.